Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. In our previous class, we have studied about the adaptations of the few animals, just like we have studied about the adaptations of polar bears. Then also we have studied the adaptations of penguins. Okay, means we have studied the adaptations of the polar region animals, and before that we have also studied the adaptations of the hot climate, that is the desert animals. Okay, so this topic we have studied earlier. Now today we are going to start the new topic, that is the tropical rainforest. Means in today's part we are going to study about the adaptations of the animals which lives in this tropical rainforest. Okay, so tropical rainforest. The climate of this tropical rainforest is mostly hot because during the summer days, this climate of that region is across 40 degrees Celsius. Means 40 degrees से भी ज़्यादा रहता है, and during the winter it's highly than 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, so therefore it is considered as a hot climate. Okay, and one more thing is that about the rain, it's heavily rains region. Okay, this region gets plenty of rainfall. That is why many animals are found in such a region. Okay, and because of the continuous warmth rain, this region is have supports a variety of the plants and animals. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स की वैरायटी प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स की रहती है, फाउंड होती है. ओके, द मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स लिव इन दैट रेन फॉरेस्ट. कौन से टाइप्स के एनिमल्स रहते हैं? लाइक द मंकीज, एप्स, गोरिल्लास, टाइगर्स, एलिफेंट्स, लिजार्ड्स, leopards, snakes, birds, insects, like that. Means there are variety of the plenty of animals are found in such a rainforest because of that suitable condition. That kind of climate is suitable for the animals. So there are variety of the animals and plants are found. Okay, now we will see the adaptations of the few animals. Okay, now we will see first one is the red-eyed frog. It is given in the figure 7.7. So what kind of the adaptations of this red-eyed frog have? This red-eyed frog is having the sticky pads. Because of that sticky pads on the feet, उनके जो फीट्स होते हैं उन पर स्टिकी पैड्स होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनको क्या हेल्प मिलती है? दे कैन ईजिली हेल्प टू क्लाइंब द ट्रीज़. ओके, एंड वो ट्रीज़ के ऊपर रहते हैं, वो ईजिली क्लाइंब कर पाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ अनदर adaptation of the second animal, that is the monkey. Monkeys are also having the adaptation, that is they have the long tails. And what is the use of the long tails? Because of that long tails they use for the grasping branches. Okay, their hands and the feet are such that they can easily fold onto the branches. So this is the advantage of the monkeys have. Now another example is the bird toucan, which have the what kind of adaptation it have? It have the long and large beak. So that long and large beak is help to reach the fruits on the branches. Okay, so this is the adaptation of that bird which helps them to reach to the fruits. Okay, now, many other tropical animals also have the sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, skin color. That skin color का क्या use होता है? That skin color is helps them to camouflage. Camouflage means what? They can hide in their surroundings. वो अपने skin color से क्या हो सकते हैं? Hide हो जाते हैं surrounding से. Okay, so these kind of adaptations they have, just like the what I said, their sensitive hearing. वो अपनी बहुत sharp रहती, मतलब sorry, उनकी sensitive hearing रहती, सॉफ्ट वॉइस को भी क्या कर पाते हैं? सुन लेते हैं. देन शार्प आईसाइट रहती है, थिक स्किन होती है, स्किन कलर, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे कैन हाइड देयर टू द सराउंडिंग. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ एडेप्टेशंस विच हेल्प्स देम टू सर्वाइव इन दैट surrounding. Okay, and that camouflage is help them to protect from the predators also. Okay, मतलब उनको अपने predators से क्या हो जाता है? प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है. And this some of the animals like lions, tigers, they have the thick skins and the sensitive hearing. So this kind of adaptation these animals have. One more animal, that is the lion-tailed macaque, which also known as the bearded. Okay, so what its adaptation? Its feature is that silver white man which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its thin. You can see in the figure 7.10 how this lion tail macaque looks. Okay, so it's a good climber. उसका वो बहुत अच्छा एक गुड क्लाइंबर होता है एंड इट स्पेंड्स मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ ऑन द ट्री ओनली. वो अपना लाइफ का बहुत ज़्यादा पार्ट ट्री के ऊपर ही सर्वाइव करते हैं, मतलब स्पेंड करते हैं. वॉट ईट्स, क्या खाते हैं वो? इट्स फीड्स मेनली ऑन द फ्रूट्स एंड ऑल्सो द सीड्स, यंग लीव्स, स्टेम्स, फ्लावर्स, बर्ड्स. सो देयर फूड इज लाइक दिस. ओके, स्टेम्स खाते हैं, लीव्स, सीड्स खाते हैं, लाइक दैट. Okay, then this bad ape is also searches for the insects also under the bark of the tree. So that is why they rarely comes down on the ground. वो बहुत कम नीचे उतरते हैं. मोस्टली अपने लाइफ का जो भी पार्ट, मतलब लाइफ कहाँ पे स्पेंड करते हैं? ऑन ट्रीज ओनली. ओके, दे स्पेंड मोर देयर लाइफ ऑन द ट्रीज ओनली. Now the last example of the tropical rainforest animal is the elephant. Elephant is also having certain features, adaptations which helps them to survive in that region. So what kind of adaptation it have? They have the trunk. All of you know their long trunk, which is also known as uses as a nose. Okay, this use means because of that trunk has a strong sense of smell. They have the strong sense of smell. Okay, this trunk is also used by the picking up food. वो अपना food को pick करते, मतलब उठाते उसी trunk के help से. Okay, then that tusk जो होते हैं, that is known as modified teeth. Okay, these tusks are nothing but their modified teeth. What is the use of that? They can tear the bark of the trees and they can tear any means branches, leaves because of that tusk. Okay, then elephants is having the large ears. उनके बड़े कान जो होते हैं. what is the use of that? it helps them to hear very soft sound also. वो बहुत छोटी सी धीमी आवाज़ भी क्या कर पाते हैं? सुन सकते हैं. so this is the advantage of that large ears. okay, and these also helps the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of that rainforest. I mean, these are the different adaptations which elephants have and which helps them to survive in the tropical rainforest. Okay, now to students, here we have completed our this chapter, and what we have studied in this chapter, firstly we have studied about the climate, then weather, elements of weather, and we have seen the few regions, animals and their adaptations, means how they can survive in their particular habitat, or you can say the particular region. Okay, so I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Now in our next class we will continue our question answers and exercise. Okay, thank you.